In 1932, Australia faced a strange enemy. Emus. The Great Emu War unfolded in Western Australia against these giant birds. Driven by drought, 20,000 emus migrated into farmlands, destroying crops and fences, causing chaos for soldier settlers. Farmers sought government assistance, leading Minister of Defense Sir George Pearce to deploy the military. Major Gwyneth Purves Winaubrey Meredith led soldiers with machine guns to hunt the birds. But the emus split into small groups, running erratically, making them impossible to hit. After comical failures, the military withdrew, confirming 986 kills. The emus won. A tale about human attempts to control nature. Like and subscribe.